Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're going to remove a marker labeled Rod. First, make sure you're signed into the Google account that created or saved it. This unlocks edit and delete options. Next, locate the marker on the map by searching its name or zooming to the area. Once you see it, click the marker to open its info card. From here, you'll get the controls you need to remove or edit it. Make sure the info card shows your account-related options before proceeding. Now take action based on what you discovered. If it's a standard place marker you added, choose Remove or Report a problem from the info card. Follow prompts to delete. For Custom My Maps pin, open Google My Maps, select the map, click the pin's layer item, and delete it. If the rod is a saved place, open Saved, find the list it's in, and remove the entry. Once removed, it won't appear under your account. Keep checking the map to confirm it's gone. Finish by refreshing the map and clearing your browser cache so stale tiles don't show the rod. If the marker still appears for others or remains public, use Report a problem from the place card and explain why it should be removed. Google reviews these requests. For shared My Maps items, change the sharing settings or delete the whole map if necessary. If anything goes wrong, make sure you're editing the correct account and retry after signing out and back in.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.